So basically, shared motherhood is an assisted reproductive technique that we can offer to same-sex couples, in which one of the women is going to undergo an IVF cycle in which we're going to stimulate her for her ovaries to produce eggs, and then those eggs are going to be taken with an egg collection. Those are going to be fertilized with donor sperm. The embryos will be created in the lab, and we're going to let them grow and develop until they reach the stage of blastocyst. And once they reach the stage of blastocyst, what we're going to do is select the best one to transfer it into the other woman's uterus. And if there are surplus embryos that are healthy, we're going to freeze them for future use.